Today is Teachers' Day and we celebrate this teacher in memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher. In DME Media School, we have a very strong team of teachers. So I thought, why not on this day to explore what are the potentials, what are the strengths of our faculty members, and this we decided to do in a very innovative manner, and then this is being done in the format of a rapid fire questions which I have posed to all my teachers, all faculty members of DME Media School, and it is, I believe, going to be a very interesting exercise. अच्छा मोहित, आज टीचर्स डे के मौके पे मैं कुछ रैपिड फायर सवाल तुमसे करूंगा एंड आई नीड आंसर वेरी क्रिज 1, 2 और 3 वर्ड्स, स्ट्रेट आंसर. सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज व्हाट इज योर ऑल टाइम फेवरेट बुक?
Sir, I would say Playing It My Way by Sachin Tendulkar. The biography, I would say autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar.
And if I ask you about the author that you like the most?
Author, I would say, sir, K.R. Narayanan.
And which film that you have watched till this date that you like the most?
I would say Khosla Ka Khosla.
Okay. And who is the most favorite film director?
Dibakar Banerjee.
And what is your favorite time pass?
Sir, means watching sports and current affairs.
What is that particular thing that prompted to join media teaching?
I think, sir, the gap between the teacher and the student and the practical exposure, I think that motivated me to join academics.
What is that one thing that you like the most in teaching?
That one-to-one interaction, I think that really helps the students and as a faculty also to learn from them.
Had you not been in teaching, where would you have been as a profession?
Sir, I would have loved to be in civil services or maybe in broadcast industry, maybe radio or television, or maybe in print, but specifically civil services.
What is your reaction to this COVID-19?
Sir, this is a very grim scenario for all of us, and I think we all are learning and we are all adopting according to the situation.
And what is your ambition?
Ambition is to become a better researcher, a better teacher, and a better academician.
Thank you, Mohit. Thank you. Teenam, I will expect kuch rapid and fast answers from you. So my first question to you is, which is your favorite book?
The Harry Potter series.
Who is your favorite author?
Haruki Murakami.
Which is your all-time favorite film?
Julie and Julia.
And who is your favorite filmmaker?
I don't have one favorite. There are a lot.
Okay. And what is your favorite time pass?
I like watching series, web series.
And what is your ambition?
Ambition. I just want to become a happy person.
And since you are a teacher, so what is that thing that has prompted you to become a teacher?
I like working with children and with young people. I like to spend time with them, so I feel I can connect with them.
What is that one thing which you love the most in teaching?
The bond that I can foster with young people, that is one thing I like.
Had you not been in teaching, which profession you would have been?
I would have gone into writing.
What is your reaction to this COVID-19?
It's really starting to get very irritating by now.
So, Sukriti, I will ask certain questions to you and I will expect a prompt and rapid answer. So, my first question to you is, what is your all-time favorite book?
I would say it's Palace of Illusions by Chitra Banerjee.
And who is your favorite author?
Ayn Rand.
And which film you have liked the most till date?
Lord of the Rings, without a doubt.
And who is your favorite filmmaker?
Peter Jackson.
What is your favorite time pass?
Binge watching TV series on Netflix and Hotstar.
And what is your ambition?
Just want to keep on teaching, be better at it, and become a very good researcher.
And since you are into teaching, what is that thing which has prompted you to become a teacher?
I think I just enjoy teaching. That the process is very enjoyable for me, talking to students and interacting with them, making sure that I pass on my knowledge to other people.
And what is that one thing which you love the most in teaching?
The interaction with students is the best.
Had you not been into teaching, which profession you would have been?
Advertising.
And what is your instant reaction to this COVID-19?
Don't deprive me of doing my job properly, meeting my friends, and doing the things that I love.
Pramod, I will ask you certain questions and I will expect very prompt and straight answers to those questions. So my first question to you is, which is your favorite book?
Any book on partition, Train to Pakistan is one of my favorite.
And who is your favorite author?
No specific author. I go by the themes of the book. Any book on war or any book on human tragedy and something like partition I really like.
Which is your all-time favorite film?
I like Gangs of Wasipur.
Most favorite filmmaker?
I like the craft of Anurag Kashyap, but I have also enjoyed Priyadarshan's films and David Dhawan's films.
What is your favorite time pass?
I like to sleep. I like to relax and watch TV. Of late, I've been watching a lot of films, and at times I feel that the content is less on Netflix now, and I've watched more. So,
And what is your ambition?
ambition is to contribute something to the well-being of the people who are around me.
And since you are a teacher, what is that thing which has prompted you to become a teacher?
I like to impart whatever little I always knew. I always did that. Even during my masters, the students who were with me in my friend circle, I always had this zeal to communicate whatever I knew. So I used to teach them even as students.
One thing which you love the most in teaching?
I love the time that we get to read and to learn.
Had you not been in teaching, which other profession you think you would have been?
I probably would have been, my mother says that I would have been a telephone operator because I talk a lot on mobile phone. So,
And what is your instant reaction to COVID-19?
depressing.
My first question to you is, which is your favorite book?
Poirot, Agatha Christie.
Otherwise, who is your favorite author?
Agatha Christie.
Which is your all-time favorite film?
Guilty pleasure and serious. So serious, Wolf of the Wall Street, and guilty pleasure, Welcome.
And who is your favorite filmmaker?
Not specific.
What is your favorite time pass?
Reading and Indian fiction.
And what is your ambition?
To do something that helps the society.
And since you are into teaching profession, what prompted you to become a teacher?
Just a will to create a change or bring a change into others' lives every day.
What is that one thing that you like the most in teaching?
Constant communication.
Had you not been into teaching, which profession you would have been?
I would have been in advertising only, what I used to do.
What is your instant reaction to COVID-19?
Patience and precaution.
Thank you, Deepika. Manmeet Kaur, I will ask you a few questions and I will expect very rapid, straight and fast answers to those questions. Right, so my first question to you will be, which is your favorite book?
Alchemist by Paul Coelho.
And who is your favorite author?
Paul Coelho.
Which is the best film that you liked?
Piku.
Okay. And who is the filmmaker that you like the most?
Imtiaz Ali.
What is your favorite time pass?
Singing.
And what is your ambition?
I would like to learn classical dance.
Since you are in the profession of teaching, what prompted you to join this profession?
Knowledge sharing and gaining.
What you love the most in teaching?
Interaction with students and learning more and more new avenues regarding teaching and maybe subject related knowledge.
Had you not been in teaching, which profession you would have been?
Singer.
What is your instant response to COVID-19?
No response. It's uncertainty.
Thank you, Manmeet. तो आइए कुछ सवाल जवाब हो जाएं कृष्णा पांडे जी के साथ. कृष्णा पांडे जी, मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा एंड आई विश दैट यू गिव द रैपिड एंड द क्विक आंसर्स टू दोज क्वेश्चंस. सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू, व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट बुक?
Sir, actually, I am a fan of romantic books. So, Daniel Steele's collection of books are my favorite book.
Which is your all-time favorite film?
Sir, this is Taj Mahal,
And who is the filmmaker that you like the most?
Manmohan Desai.
What is your favorite time pass?
Sir, I like to be with nature. I like to be with my plants.
What is your actual ambition?
So, my ambition is, first of all, in profession, I should be happy and I should be satisfied.
So what is that thing that has prompted you to become a teacher?
So first of all, I believe that the generation requires people like us to give them the basic understanding of lot of things, and the experience that we have, it should be passed on to the younger generation.
One thing that you love the most in teaching?
So interacting with students, telling them about the latest things, what is happening, and also getting to know what exactly they are looking from us. What are they expecting from us?
Had you not been in teaching profession, which profession you would have been?
So I would have been a journalist.
What is your instant reaction to COVID-19?
I feel this is a very depressive thing that has come, but then people have the spirit of fighting. It has brought people together.
डॉक्टर बाला, मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछूंगा एंड आई एक्सपेक्ट कि आप बहुत ही क्विक एंड फास्ट और रैपिड आंसर उन क्वेश्चंस का देंगी. सो माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट बुक?
Haveli.
And who is your favorite author?
Rahul Sanskritayan.
And if I ask about film, which is that film which is your all-time favorite?
Mughal Azam.
And any filmmaker who you like the most?
Tigmanshu Dhulia, yes.
Favorite time pass?
Books reading.
Ambition?
Painting बनाना.
किस वजह से आप टीचिंग में आ गए?
Passionate थी. Father was principal.
What is that one thing which you love the most in teaching?
Interaction with the students.
आप टीचिंग में नहीं होती तो किस प्रोफेशन में होती?
As usual, artist.
Reaction to COVID-19.
COVID-19 is a serious thing.
Which is your all-time favorite book?
There's this book called Hitchhiker's Guide to Galaxy by Douglas Adams.
Your favorite author?
George Orwell is one of them.
Which is that film that you like the most till date?
I would say the entire Lord of the Rings trilogy.
Who is your favorite filmmaker?
I do follow Spielberg quite a bit. Yes.
What exactly is your ambition?
I'm into digital, so I want to take this forward and let's see how things build up.
Favorite time pass?
Time pass, of course, music.
What is that thing which has prompted you to become a teacher?
I thought that, I would take a break and, explore things with the youth and also try to impart whatever I have learned in these many years.
One thing that you love the most in teaching?
Interacting with the students and, really helping them out with what exactly they are looking forward to.
Had you not been in teaching profession, which profession you would have been?
I would have been into the PR profession.
Instant reaction to COVID-19.
Come with Bane and Boon both.
Which is your favorite book?
So it's Harry Potter.
Who is your favorite author?
Of course, sir, it's J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter.
Which film that you like the most?
Andhadhund.
Who is your favorite filmmaker?
I'm very fond of Anurag Kashyap.
Favorite time pass?
Sir, I like to read.
What is your ambition?
Be significant. Do something which is of significance.
What has prompted you to join this profession?
I was very inclined towards academics. So even though I worked in professional space, I always wanted to come back to academics.
One thing that you love the most in teaching?
Reading, getting so much of knowledge.
Have you not been in this profession in teaching, where you would have been actually?
Sir, probably a politician. Please don't ask me political questions. But yeah, I just want to do something, maybe an NGO or something that's a long-term plan.
Instant reaction to COVID-19.
Painful and also introspective.
Which is your favorite book?
Chanakya's Chant. I love that book. It's by Ashwin Sanghi.
Who is your favorite author?
Ashwin Sanghi for now.
Which is that film that you have liked the most till date?
Dil Dhadakne Do. I like that movie.
Who is your favorite filmmaker?
I like movies by Zoya Akhtar. I like movies by Imtiaz Ali.
Favorite time pass?
I like to read. I also like gaming.
What is that particular thing which has prompted you to join this profession, the profession of teaching?
I wanted to teach. I wanted to do something meaningful. So that really made me shift from my previous work to teaching.
One thing which you love the most in teaching?
Yes, I love to have interaction, discussion with students. There's so much of energy in the classroom when we are having some good discussion. So I love that part a lot.
Had you not been in teaching, which profession you would have been?
In PR only, or I might have been in some computer related profession maybe.
Ambition?
I see myself as a good teacher and better teacher in future.
Instant reaction to COVID-19.
I feel so bad about it because I really miss the previous life, and when people say it's new normal, I don't feel normal at all even after so many months.
Which is your favorite book?
Uma Joshi, Development Communication.
Favorite author?
DVR Murthy.
The best film that you like the most?
Slumdog Millionaire.
Favorite filmmaker?
Anurag Kashyap. Yeah.
Favorite time pass?
I listen to songs.
Ambition?
I want to work as professor in foreign university.
What prompted you to join this profession?
It's very important for all of us to interact with fresh blood every year. So it gives you that zeal, to live your college days also. So that is the first thing that came in my mind, and I wanted to join this profession.
What do you love the most in teaching?
Interacting with students.
Had you not been in the profession of teaching, which profession you would have been?
So investigative journalism.
For instant reaction to COVID-19.
First reaction was, oh no, now what will happen?
So my first question in this rapid round to you, Kamil, will be, which is your favorite book?
I read India Misinformed.
Favorite author?
I will name Mr. Kuldeep Nayyar.
Which is the best film that you have watched?
Gangs of Wasseypur.
Filmmaker that you like the most?
Anurag Kashyap.
Favorite time pass?
I like to play cricket very much. I am very enthusiastic about it.
Ambition?
I just want to be a good teacher in my life.
What has prompted you to become a teacher?
I completed my graduation from DU and I saw teachers from English department or Hindi department teaching in journalism. So I thought to take up this career and fill this gap.
One thing which you love the most in teaching?
The interaction between a student and teacher.
Had you not been in teaching profession, which profession you would have been?
Due to the educational things that were taking place in my family and the support of my sister and especially my mother, so I become a teacher, or otherwise I would have been a businessman or even a cricketer.
Quick reaction to COVID-19.
Disastrous thing that I have ever seen.